Hello and welcome. So today I'm joined by Braden Spilker from Nexus Pharmaceuticals, who is going to be talking to us and explaining how his company have managed to keep key projects moving forward during the COVID pandemic and how they have been able to work with our MLab Collaboration Center and using some of our digital tools. So Braden, welcome. We're delighted for you to be here today.
Good morning, Andrew. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so first question is, could you explain how this collaboration began and some of the challenges you were facing at the time?
Well, it really started, a number of years ago, and Nexus Pharmaceuticals was basically a virtual company, and it's a family-owned business, and they decided to bring all those products in-house and start a project and build an actual manufacturing facility. The business model kind of shows that, or what we target are hard to formulate drug shortages, generic injectables. So we knew this was going to be a multi-purpose facility, multi-product facility. And so it just made sense to us. Disposables was the way to go. And kind of immediately, just based on past experience and folks we've worked with, the MLab came right to mind. And from there, of course, pandemic hit, and the MLab jumped all over it. We're really, really happy how it worked out.
Perfect. So yeah, with the COVID travel restrictions, we had to bring the MLab to you virtually, so to speak. Why was it so important to keep the project moving? Why didn't you just put it on hold for the time being?
Well, it just, in this business, even before pandemic, lead times and foresight and things, there's so much pre-planning to try to keep on schedule that it really wasn't an option to start holding things like, our formulation process and what we wanted to do there, to hold it and still maintain schedule. So, since then, we have done lots of virtual things out of necessity, but the MLab was the first one that said, "Hey, we gotta do something for our customers, and this is what we think we can do to help them." And when we kind of set up the whole meeting, it really worked well. You felt like you were there, you got a good idea, the folks were knowledgeable, knew what they were doing, talking about. It was easy to see. So, it truly was a good experience.
Perfect. Well, I'm really glad to hear that the team could help you out. So while we always enjoy face-to-face interactions, and when the travel restrictions are lifted, I'm sure we will get back to some. Do you see moving forward, post-pandemic, a greater utilization of some of the virtual tools that we have been using over recent months?
Andrew, I think absolutely. Moving forward, there will be kind of this virtual, model moving forward. I think there's some definite advantages to be able to reach out and touch and face-to-face interaction with people. But there's so many advantages to the virtual kind of aspect of it that I think it's going to be a hybrid. I think that's what we're going to see. Some combination of both, but without a doubt, I think moving forward, it's here to stay.
Right. Okay, Braden. Well, that was it. Our quick all-in with Bulpin. I appreciate you taking the time and sharing your experience. We appreciate Nexus as a collaborator and a partner with us. Wish you and your team all the best with the program. And until next time, viewers, that's it for this episode of All In with Bulpin. Take care. Cheers.